Hi everyone. All right, today is day 4 with our flower experiment. I have all 4 colors here so we can see what they look like. Right, my first one is red. Hard to see on camera, but I would say they kind of look the same as they've looked. Maybe a teeny bit more red around the edges. The red didn't really get super dark red. My green are pretty green. They're like a light green color, I would say. They did pretty good. Yellow, I like the yellow a lot because the yellow has yellow all around the edges. It looks like dark yellow around the edges and then the yellow kind of in the inside. But they feel nice and firm, these petals, because they had lots of water to drink. And here's my blue. The blue didn't really get as many blue lines. A little bit if you look underneath. But not as many as the red. But the blue has a pretty color. It's like a light blue, like a baby blue color. So that is our flower experiment. If you're able to do the flower experiment at home, send me a picture. That would be fun to see. There's Jax. There you go. That would be fun to see. All right, and before we're all done, I wanted to ask you a little bit about plants. We learned about the parts of a plant. This part is the flower. This part in the middle is the stem. These two things on the stem are called the leaves. And down here, what sucks up all the water are called the roots, right? And to review, we said plants need, say it with me, sun, soil, water, air. So they can grow to be like this. Or like a certain vegetable, or maybe a fruit. I have a little story that we can read. Plants in spring. New season. It's spring. We plant seeds and wait for sunlight and rain. Jax, do you like this story? Look with your eyes. Blue, you're right. Spring rain makes the ground wet. Plants' roots suck up the water from the soil. Yeah. This picture is a great one of all those roots. Yeah. Some shoots and stems poke through the soil. Food, from sunlight to food. Daylight lasts longer in the spring. Leaves take in the sunlight. The sun is out right now. Plants make their own food, like that song we sang the other day. With sunlight, water, air, and nutrients. They just need that water. It's a big important part, and then they can make their own food. Looks like bubbles to you. What's that on the flower? From flowers to fruits, bees like bright blooming flowers. Bees gather nectar from the flowers. Pollen from the flowers stick to the bees, and the bees carry the pollen from flower to flower. Pollen is that yellowish stuff right under the bee. Pollen. Can you say that word? Pollen. Soon flowers make fruits. New seeds grow inside the fruits. What kind of fruit is this?
Apple.
Hey, you knew it. Apple, you're right. Did you get apple too?
Apple.
Apple. Are there seeds in an apple? Yeah. There are seeds in an apple. Spring is a season for planting and growing. What plants do you see in the spring? What kind of plants do you see in the spring? And what did you learn about plants? Tell Mom or Dad, what did you learn about plants this week? You know, I've seen so many wonderful pictures. You've been doing so much work about plants. You have learned lots. Right. I'm so happy that we got to do our plant unit. Next week, we'll have something even more exciting. Let me think if I can give you a hint. Something little. You used to be this.
I did it.
And we're going to be learning about that next week.
Chihuahua.
Bye. Have a nice weekend.
Bye.